Hello, dear friends, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur, and hello from the English countryside. It's a few days after we arrived, and I'm still recovering from jet lag, waking up a lot later than I normally do, but grateful to be here in our charming kitchen, making a late morning cup of coffee. Yes, coffee will be just the ticket right now. My body is aching from the long flight. The whole flight, all I could think about was being in my cozy bed, and I finally got there. Traveling can be brutal on the body, but the wonderful feeling of arriving and settling in is such a relief. And England is my home away from home. I have a few goals this trip. One of them is to reset my nervous system. Is that possible? I just feel like I need it. I really burnt out this spring, and in the process, I learned a lot about myself, about how much I could handle in each day, and what I should take on and not take on. I felt overwhelmed with commitments and with people asking me for things. Do you get that? I mean, that's a given as a parent, but I mean for other things too. School, work, social media. Oh my goodness, I got so overwhelmed with it. I ran across this quote from Matthew Weatherly White, and he said, "The most important thing I do each morning is steady myself by not allowing a sense of urgency to penetrate." Isn't that good? Oh, how I needed to hear that. There is no urgency to anything. Even if I have emails, text messages, requests here and there and everywhere, there is no urgency for me to even respond. I'm just one person. I won't be rushed. I'm not rushing through life anymore. It's funny, the things we think about while making coffee. I like to take the first sips outside while I take in the back garden. I allow the birds, the trees, the flowers, and the hidden sun to envelop me. There is no urgency. There is only now. Here's a tour of our flat, which is looking amazing. I love it here. It was entirely decorated by my mother-in-law, Jane, who has such amazing taste. By the way, I always forget to verbally ask this, but I would absolutely love it if you subscribe to the channel. You just click the red subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. It's totally free and you won't miss any of our adventures in England. I'm finally settled in and unpacked, and many of you requested to see what I packed for England, so here is a little closet tour for you. I'll start with showing you my carry-on for the plane. It was the Nordace backpack, and they sponsored a video of mine a few months ago, and I was excited to try it out for traveling, and I can confirm that it's excellent. I love that the laptop was in that back sleeve, totally separated from my other items, and then I put, my most important items that I needed to access quickly at the top of my backpack. And there's all these hidden compartments too. So that was really great. It also slides on top of the luggage, which is handy. But when I needed to put it on my back, the weight was evenly distributed. Okay, so hi. I'm gonna show you my 10-item wardrobe right now. All right, so here it is. And I basically packed my entire 10-item wardrobe, including the extras for this trip, because we're going to be here for over a month. And I did have a bit of a rhyme and a reason about it, but I did this quickly after we arrived. So I'm arranging everything by colors. So starting off with my camisole, which I always wear, and then this striped cardigan, which will come in handy. All of my sweaters are, because it's really cold. It's It's like 60 degrees and cloudy, but from a Californian's perspective, that's like the dead of winter for us. So I'm cold here. Hopefully it changes. But this, my sweater, then I have the long sleeve sky dress and the daisy embroidered sky dress, which I will have to wear with my sweater because it's cold. I did bring my special occasion lily silk, just in case we go someplace fancy. I brought all my white dresses because I'm in that era of my life. And the brunch dress, I have the anthropology dress. So these are my sweaters. Oh, this is a sweater that I'm excited to show you. It's a duster, and it has the tag on still. I need to take that off. I haven't worn it yet, but it's really long, short sleeve. So I feel like this is gonna be good for when it does get hot, but I need a little bit of coverage, and that's from Merci. I'll link it down below. Then I have my lily silk. Everything needs to be ironed. I just kind of hung it up right after I got off the plane. Rungali, I have my skirt. And then I brought my Oliveri Life kimono. I could move some of these and give everything a little bit more space. Back there I have my t-shirts. So yes, I brought my entire 10-item wardrobe. And I'll show you what I'm wearing right now too. Okay, I think you can see me here. So I'm wearing the Doen blouse, the Franny Goldie cashmere sweater, and I'm wearing the Everlane jeans and M. Jemmy sandals. And these are such a perfect color for me this season because I have so many outfits that go with this kind of like cognac brown. So there you are. That is what I'm wearing. I went to a local cafe with Ben and our daughter to get another latte. I'm needing a lot of caffeine to stay awake during the day. And now I'm going to walk up to the big house for a bit of reading. We did a tour of my mother-in-law's home last year. I'll link it in the iCard if you haven't seen it yet. The sun came out for a brief moment and the dogs were lapping it up. I even got a touch of reading in the sun before it started to drizzle again. So I went back into the house and sat by the fire to get warm. I'm just beginning 3-Act Tragedy by Agatha Christie. I love this one. It has both Poirot and Mr. Satterthwaite in it, two of my favorite characters. I've read it before, but there's no one like Christie for atmospheric elegance and intrigue, and I can't wait to reacquaint myself with the plot. Well, dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you will enjoy all of our England vlogs this summer. I can't wait to share them with you. Before we go, I invite you to subscribe to my monthly newsletter. It's totally free, and I send out one newsletter a month. Just go to jenniferlscott.com, enter your email in the top left-hand corner, and click subscribe, and you'll receive a letter from me each month in your inbox. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Love. Jennifer.